What's up everyone, it's your girl Alizé, and this week I finally convinced my parents to let me make slime. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, I do a fun mix of gymnastics, vlogs, and tutorials, so if you like those types of videos, hit that subscribe button. So I'm going to start by opening this up, if I can.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
I can't stick my finger in here. You know what? We're just gonna pour it in because I don't know what I'm doing.
Whip it through the glass!
So I'm gonna pour, oh that's a lot. The ingredients we have is water, baking soda, detergent just in case if the baking soda doesn't work, microbeads, glitter, acrylic paint, shaving cream, glue, some more glue, and contact solution, containers to store the slime in, and we have a spoon. And then I'm going to start by getting a bowl and then pouring glue inside of it. So I'm going to start with the white glue. Ooh. And then you pour it all in here, and then there's like a lot of glue still stuck in the bottle. So then you put some water in it. So then all of the glue comes out and you won't have to waste it. So I'll be back. I'm back. And so then you put the water in and then you just like, okay, I'm guessing the glue doesn't want to come out. I don't know, I do this like a different way. I don't know if other people do it this way, but then you take your thingy, I forgot what this is called. Your shaving cream. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Boop. I'm gonna take acrylic paint and I'm going to use tropical blue. Just put it in a little bit. Maybe a lot. You know, it smells pretty good. And then you keep on mixing until everything is like colored, and like make sure to get the sides. This is like already satisfying. And then you're gonna take just a little bit, just in case, because you don't want to make it too flavory. The warm water with baking soda and then you mix. And then if that doesn't work, then you could use some contact solution to bring it together. And then if that doesn't work, you can add some detergent or more of the baking soda. It's getting there. Yes. It's coming there, you know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now, just so you know, if you make slime, it won't always work. So don't be sad. Because like, you know, other people feel pain too. Hey! I like slime because it's just like a stress reliever for me, and I think other people like it because it's really satisfying too, and it might be a stress reliever for them too. Hey, it's good now. Yeah! To make it less sticky, just add more shaving cream. Okay, so add more color. He farted. The trick is to make sure you wash your hands and let your slimes sit for a little bit. And you have to be patient, you know? And then you get your reward. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Look at the colors. It's like tie-dye.